One of the stitches used to create this lace pattern is a yarn over. Yarn overs in Tunisian crochet are used to increase or to create these eyelets. However, when you just yarn over one, the eyelet is not so open, and because I want to create this lovely lace pattern, I'm going to use a double yarn over on the pearl top. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to make a double yarn over, how to return past the double yarn over, and how to work on the double yarn overs on the following rows. So here in my lace pattern, I am ready for a double yarn over. So all I have to do for a yarn over is to do this one time. I've yarned over. To do a double, I simply do it one more time. So I'm going to show you again. It's time to yarn over one, yarn over two, and that's it. And then I work my next stitch and leave those two loops in my hook. Now, as you can see, if you count the stitches, 1, 2, 3, 4, right? But because this is a yarn over, it counts as one stitch only. Okay, so in reality, I have 1, 2, 3 stitches there. So if you're going to be doing counting stitches on your lace rows, I would recommend waiting until the plain Tunisian crochet rows to count your stitches, or consider the double yarn overs when you are counting stitches. During return pass, since yarn over stitches are considered one stitch, there is only going to be one return pass per double yarn over. So here I am at my yarn over. As you can see, these two loops belong to the double yarn over. So I'm going to yarn over one to pull through one loop and two loops. One is from the yarn over, and then I'm going to kind of hold onto this loop to pull my hook through. I have returned past that double yarn over, so I'm going to show you again. Now this might make your work get a little bit stuck, so feel free to use your fingers to move things around. So here you are. This is your yarn over, so I'm going to yarn over and pull through one and two loops first, just like normal, and then I'm going to hold on to this other loop of the yarn over and pull through it too, without making another yarn over. All right, so I'm going to show you that one more time, how that works. All right, here I am, yarn over, pull through 1, 2, and 3, and that is how you return past a yarn over. During the pearl lace, every lace row is followed by a Tunisian simple stitch row. That means that I'm going to simply work Tunisian simple stitch, but how do you work inside the yarn overs? So a Tunisian simple stitch will be picking up this loop, but I don't want to do that. What I want to do is create a big gap. So I'm going to work inside that hole that the yarn over created and pull my yarn through there. So that is how I'm going to work that Tunisian simple stitch row on every alternate row. So here I am at the yarn over, I'm going to insert my hook and pull through. So this is officially a Tunisian knit stitch, but because it doesn't look really like a knit stitch and I thought it might make things more complicated, I left it as Tunisian simple stitch to the end of the row. But anytime you see a yarn over, you're not going to work in the loop, you're going to work inside the hole and pull your yarn through to create your next stitch. And that is how you work the double yarn overs from the pearl top.